A letter in the alphabet will always be represented in binary with 8 binary numbers called a byte. Notice that your bit board has 8 sliders and 8 number places in the binary row. The bit board makes a byte. Create the binary number on your bit board. If the byte starts with 010 on the far left, then it is an uppercase letter. If the byte starts with 011 on the far left, then it is a lowercase letter and you will not click the uppercase switch. Next, look at sliders 16 to 1. Which of those sliders is in the on position? Add the sliders in the on position from 16 to 1 to get your sum. The sum of those sliders is the number place of the letter in the alphabet. Use the wheel to find the alphabet letter that corresponds to the sum. Then tap the wheel to enter your answers. Tap on the answer wheel to enter your answer. Then press Go.